Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can sell your products on Amazon through Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, Amazon and Shopify can be integrated together. However, they do not have a default integration by Shopify, so we're going to need to install an app. Now, the app we're going to be installing is called Marketplace Connect, and we're going to be using this to go ahead and integrate the two together. Now, as you can see, you can connect Amazon through this, and it's free to install. Additional charges may apply for certain things. However, what we need to do is just install this app. It is completely free as far as I'm aware. So once we click that, it's going to take us over here to verify and authenticate that we want to install Marketplace Connect. And once we do, that should be it. Just a second while this loads up and installs everything. Once this connects, you're going to need to connect to your Amazon Marketplace account, or the Amazon seller account that you're planning on using. As you can see, once it loads up, it should be over here. So let's just wait a couple of seconds while it loads up completely. And there we go. Just another second. There we go. You can click connect account in here next to Amazon, and you can add the new Amazon connection. Just acknowledge and continue. You need to select your marketplace. So for example, I'll choose USA, or .co.uk can work perfectly. So just click connect, and now it's going to open up a new tab for you to sign into Amazon. Now, I don't have an Amazon seller account, but it's pretty much straightforward from there. You just log into your account, possibly follow a couple of different steps on the Amazon side of things. But once you set everything up, you'll be able to sell products on both storefronts very easily. And that should be pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.